this is the latch mechanism, and I've already ran the wires in here. Those wires there, you have to cut out the imprints behind it, and that'll enable you to open this manually. And all it really is this latch and one on the other side, identical. And these lock like so. And when you pull on them here, this is the little wire on the inside, they pop. That releases the tonneau cover. So I got those used, and I got this part with that. However, it was missing one of these caps, and these caps are really important. The other thing is that this handle is broken, you see it? So it was a bad kit. So in any case, luckily for the internet, parts are readily available. Here's the part number for the handle. Here's the part number for the trim ring. And like I said, there's a guide there that you can just cut out. And last but not least, these are the two little rubber pieces. Got two boots for this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you give it enough slack from the back. Otherwise, you won't have enough room to work in here. The other thing you have to be really careful is when you put these rubber caps, you want to do it from out here. So just to give you an example, this goes in here like so. Alright, make sure you do it not in that hole, because these will fall in there and there is no way to fish them out. Alrighty, and there you have it. The trim ring is on it. It pops the locks there. So now when I open it, oops, opens it up. Now if I want to do it right, I can get a little strut for this, so that when it comes up, it'll hold in place there. But now, so here I'll show you. It's locked. It's open.